Namaskar dosto. Today is 1st March 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video on daily basis I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learnings, disclose my trade plan for the next trading session and also talk about my MT position at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading idea. So today, as we have planned, Nifty and thought that Nifty will have a very narrow day, and that is exactly it turned out to be. Nifty operated on above 14,527 and stayed almost whole day in a very narrow range. Our trade plan for Nifty was either to take a 15-minute breakout or sell on rise at H3 or H4. I did not take any trade on Nifty, but I did took multiple trades on Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty I was carrying one position home, and on Bank Nifty also the trade plan was to either take a 15-minute breakout in any direction or sell on rise. So I entered the day with one C position and gap up opening. So on this green bar, I booked my one lot profit. Then, as planned, when Bank Nifty moved to above H3, that is on this green bar, I at the top of the bar I took a PE entry and I doubled up my position on this green bar and I kept the stop loss just above this. On this red bar, I my stop loss got hit and I came out of the trade, and then I missed the entire downward trend, which was actually the trade I was looking at. So here I went negative. Then I again took a short entry on this green bar and got out on this green bar. Then I reversed my view and entered on this red bar as a CE position. And at the end of the day, I again came out on this green bar. So overall, again a very bad execution for me, and good trade plan, but again a bad execution. So I was thinking about what happened, and I realized that the self discipline is killing me. Last night I had a very late night, and in the morning again the same thing happened. I got up late, I rushed to the office, and at some point of time on my way I was doing a trade on phone. So that's not going to work out. So I need to get discipline. Tomorrow onwards, one basic rule: if I don't touch office by 8:45, I'll not take a trade. So that day I'm going to skip trading. So I have to be disciplined. If I'm not going to get disciplined on that prospect, how much good trade plan I make, I will not able to manage it. So that's the ground rule from tomorrow. 8:45, I need to be in office, finish all my work, and before the market starts, with the freshman and cup of coffee, let's start the business. So having said that, uh, let's see now what we have in store. So before that, let me see if I can delete this. So stay with me till end. I will show you my MTM also. Now let's see, before we get into market, let's check on our dollar index. So dollar index is somewhere going up. It is about 20, but from many days it is in the same range. So it may have some impact on the market. We need to look for this. Our much talk about US government bond is also now just started becoming green. So this has taken a support at 8 bar moving average. So this is also a sign of a concern. We need to see by tomorrow morning at where this thing is getting closed. And when we talk about S&P 500, as we discussed yesterday, S&P 500 has decided to make an AM pattern and is going up. So this is the AM I'm talking about. So S&P 500 is moving up. So that's a very good sign. It's almost up by 2%. And SGX is currently at 14,906. So tomorrow when we look into daily chart, what we see is that Nifty on daily basis is still in downward trend. It has closed today below 20, below 8, and above 50. So here it is in downward trend. But on 15-minute chart, what we see is a sign of a reversal, where Bank Nifty today has closed above 8, above 20, above 50, and most importantly, above this weekly pivot and weekly resistance of 14,724. So here Nifty is showing sign of coming back of uptrend. And the clues what we have from S&P and currently where SGX is, definitely tomorrow we're gonna have a gap up opening somewhere closer to 200 bar. So for tomorrow the pivot is at 14736, and market on 15-minute chart is uptrend, weekly uptrend, daily downtrend. So for tomorrow my strategy is buy on dip at pivot of 14736, which is just closer to 20 bar moving average, and L3 is 14716 and L4 is 14670. I'm not sure even we can reach here tomorrow because we're gonna have open somewhere at the top. So one can also look for any buy on dip, but the safest is pivot. Pivot will be at 14736. So 14736 buy on dip. Uh, what we can look for is to buy Nifty 14,700 CE or 14,800 CE for 4th March. So these are the two options which I will look forward to buy. Similarly, on Bank Nifty, uh, on daily chart, Bank Nifty is below 8 and below 20, so still in downtrend, but a green bar, almost a doji, but still in downtrend. On 15-minute chart, it has closed above 8, above 20, above 50, so here it is in uptrend. For tomorrow, we will maintain buy on dip, irrespective of where it opens. So buy on dip, pivot is at 35308, which is closer to 20 bar moving average, and L3 is at 35,150, and L4 is at 35,000. So now for a Bank Nifty, 34,896 is definitely a very strong support, and currently the resistance is at 35,600. So let's see if tomorrow Bank Nifty close 35,600. That would be fantastic. But market has definitely reversed, um, and buy on dip is on card. I hope this discussion has added value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Now let's look into my MTM. So my MTM today was very bad. I had a loss of almost overall 22,000 rupees. I tried to make an entry in Reliance, Hero Motocorp, and SDFC, and I chicken it out. So tomorrow this all could have been a very good trade. But philosophy is, if you're gonna be zombie is gonna come and eat you. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.